Assalamu alaikum. I am Yashfa from BS 8th Regular. The post-colonial term I have taken for my presentation is negritude. Negritude is defined as an influential intellectual and literary movement emerging in the 1930s among black francophone intellectuals. Its purpose was to reclaim black identity, celebrate African culture values, and resist the dehumanizing effects of racism and colonialism. The term was coined by M.S. Caesar, who was the father of negritude, and he linked black consciousness with anti-colonial struggle in his famous work Notebook of a Return to the Native Land in 1939. We have to look at the colonial context first, that resistance against the French policy of assimilation, which expected colonized people to abandon native traditions for French culture. And also, black students from colonies encountered widespread racism and alienation in Paris, so that led to a collective intellectual awakening. And then Leopold Sedar Senghor, famous philosopher who systematized the movement philosophically and focused on the African communal values. Then there was another French writer, Dumas, who expressed anger and rebellion against colonial hypocrisy in his famous work Pigments. The central themes of the negritude were that black pride, racial consciousness, and the recovery of African history, and also to celebrate the culture that oral traditions, spirituality, and communal identity should be celebrated, and also the solidarity, that unity of the African diaspora against colonial domination. There are some key critics: Frantz Fanon and Wolf Soyinka. Frantz Fanon criticized the movement for being too focused on announcing identity rather than living it. And Soyinka critiqued it by saying, "A tiger doesn't proclaim its tigritude, it pounces." Negritude provided the intellectual groundwork for decolonization across Africa and the Caribbean. It influenced the Black Arts movement, modern culture studies, and African nationalism. Concluding this, we can say negritude transformed black identity from a colonial label into a powerful political and artistic force as the movement posits. Naming oneself is the first act of freedom. I hope I was clear enough to deliver the concept of negritude to you. Thanks for listening.